Hey everyone, my name is Carrie, and surprise, this is my first video. I've never really been much into videos, technology, all that kind of stuff. I'm 40, I'm going to be 41 next month, so we didn't have cell phones when I was a teenager and all that stuff. But I've noticed I've been getting a lot more into watching YouTube stuff. For some reason I love Jeffree Star. I don't know why, because I'm not really into makeup and but it's so fascinating to watch. I mean, he's super funny. I don't know. I guess I'm trying to learn more about makeup, maybe. But it's my first video, and the reason I've been wanting to do this for a while, but the reason why I kind of started today is I just had dermaplaning done to my face. And what that is they take a scalpel and like scrape off the first layer of your skin and all that hair that's there. And one of the reasons why I started doing that is I got diagnosed with PCOS a few years ago, and it started in my early 30s, and it took a few years to get a diagnosis. And it was kind of me going into the doctor and saying, could I have PCOS? And that's kind of how that happened. They weren't really coming up with anything on their own. So along with that, I won't go over everything. I'll just go over the things that you could kind of see at the time. I had horrible acne. My hair was actually thinning up here, but not here. I was getting more hair because, let's face it, women, I'm sorry, but we do have hair on our faces. I ended up getting more, ended up gaining weight. And then along came anxiety, insomnia, those sisters. So my life was kind of hell for a while. But we're just going to focus on the face today. So I've been blessed with my mother's genes, so I've always been young looking for my age. That's the cat, don't mind her. The dog's behind me as well. She's my #1 fan. I'm her #1 fan. That's Maya, my Mastiff. So I'm going to go over my skincare routine, and some of it I've learned through dermatologists, but honestly most of it was just kind of trial and error on my part. So a lot of stuff that I use is kind of expensive, and I'll go over the prices, but honestly, I wish I could show you like a before picture, but when you take a horrible picture full of acne, like who keeps those pictures? So I don't really have anything to show. I mean, I still have a little bit of light scarring here and there, and I mean, I had your typical all kinds of acne. I would get cystic acne, which would be like a big hard knot on your face. If you've never had it, it's just the weirdest thing. And then blackheads and whiteheads and just regular acne, you know, the big red kind. And I still get breakouts from time to time, mostly on my chin, but it's kind of my own fault because I touch my face a lot. It's a bad habit. Anxiety. So yes. All right, so I will go over my morning routine. I will show you the 2 cleansers that I use. I have Eminence. This is the lemon cleanser, and this little bad boy, let's see the price for this. It's around $45. I know, it's expensive. Now I like to use this outside the shower because it is thinner. So it comes out of here pretty easy. And this is Mario Bedescu. I don't really know how to say his name. It's cream soap cleanser. I like to use this in the shower. I like this cleanser better out of both of them, but this one is really thick, so I have a hard time getting it out. But if it's sitting in the shower the whole time I'm in the shower, then it comes out easier. And let me see the price on this. Probably talking about $24. So they are, I don't know, maybe about the same size. I don't know, but so there's the cleansers. All right, so in the morning after we're just gonna act like I'm not getting a shower in the morning. So after I cleanse my face. Then I love, well, not that I love to use this, I have to use it. I have a clindamycin lotion, antibiotic lotion that the doctor has prescribed for me. Works wonders. It doesn't really come with any directions. I actually use it 3 times a day, so I'll go over that again later. All right, so cleanse, put on that. And this spray, sometimes I'll use it before I put that on. I kind of throw it in there somewhere. I'm not really sure exactly where it goes. I'm not really sure exactly what it does. But I like it. So sometimes I'll wait sometimes I'll put this on and then that, or I'll go right to my SPF 15 moisturizer from Mario Badescu, just aloe moisturizer. Let's see if I can get you the price. $24 for this. Gotta make sure you SPF. And then sometimes I'll put this on like as a primer before I put my makeup on. Kinda. I don't know. Again, when I was teenager putting on makeup, we didn't have primers. I'm not really exactly sure what that does. Okay, so now it's nighttime. So again, I'd go in with one of those cleansers. And then, so I've always had really dry and oily skin. And I would try to do things to make my skin drier so it wasn't so oily. But essentially what I was doing was making my skin too dry, so then it was producing too much oil to try to hydrate itself. So it was a mess. It took me a while to kind of figure out I was self-sabotaging my skin. So now what I do at night, I wash my face. I will put this on. Most definitely, I put this on every night. And then my next step is the Mario Badescu Rose Hips Nourishing Oil. So I put that on and rub it in, and I really let it sit on there for a couple minutes to soak in. I have found if I do this first and then my antibiotic lotion, it works best. Just helps my skin out. Alright, so we got that. And then after I put on the antibiotic lotion, I'll let that dry. Oh, I gotta get you the price for the oil. $22. $22. Alright. Then I put on Eminence. Now, I'm not going to use this next time because this is just too expensive. It's the Sweet Red Rose Whip Moisturizer. It's just too expensive. So, I'm thinking of switching to a Mario Badescu item. His products are cheaper and I think they work just as well. So I'm going to switch to that. So I'm not going to bother to tell you the price of this, I guess. Alright. Done. Alright, now I did kind of skip something. I'm terrible at this already. I have a midday thing that I do when I get home from work. And I'll do a makeup tutorial another time, even though that will take me like 5 seconds because I don't really wear a lot of makeup. But when I get home from work, because I know that I've been touching my face all day and I'm a dirty mess, I will use, don't know how to say it right, micellar cleansing water. I don't have a particular brand I love yet. Right now I'm using Yes2 products. I've used Burt B products. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Maybe one day I'll like find one I really like, but they all seem to work. So I'll do that. Wipe my makeup off, and then my lotion. Really, my face is terrible if I don't use this lotion. So now it gets it 3 times a day, and it's really helped improve my skin. And then sometimes what I'll do during the week, do it like once or twice a week, I will use it's kind of like a drying mask. I know I just said I don't want to dry my mask, or I don't want to dry my face out. But it's not what you think. It's a rose hip mask, and this is from Mario Badescu. It's just got different stuff in it. It helps to restore dull skin and give it a dewy glow. I don't know. I mean, I don't know how to explain it, but it does do good for my skin because if I do have any breakouts, I notice that it helps sort of dry it out a little bit. But it's moisturizing as well. It's magic. I don't understand how they can do that. Now, when I first started having problems and went to a dermatologist, he prescribed me that retinol. Oh my God. I have sensitive skin. It burned my face off. I couldn't take it. But there's other things that I can use that aren't prescription. So this is an Eminence product. It's strawberry rhubarb hyaluronic serum. So I use it once or twice a week. I don't know. It's got stuff in it that's supposed to burn your face off, but gently. And it does work. Oh, prices. Right, let me see. I'm trying to look on my computer. Okay, the rose hips. It's around, all his products are around like $20. Okay, and then this serum. Oh, Lord. Okay, I don't remember spending that much on this, but maybe I did. It's like $60. But I've noticed that any product that burns your face off is really expensive. But like I said, this gently burns your face off. So, like the new dermatologist or esthetician I went to today, I moved. So this is my first time there, and she said it looks like I've had some sort of maybe a peel done at one time, and I told her there's no way like my face would fall off. So she can tell that I'm using products that's kind of like burning off the layers of your skin. I don't know, but in a good way, in a sensitive way. I just cracked myself up. Okay, so I do that like once or twice a week. And then Different Gel, my dermatologist recommended this to me. And one odd thing, you know, I'm 40, and you think I would have like picked up on this like a long time ago, but when you have face products, you don't have to put it on your whole face. Shocking, I know. So I just use this on my chin because it's my worst area. So I usually do it like every other night, because if I do it every day, it burns my face off in a bad way. Not the good way. All right, Different Gel. Oh, by the way, I'm an Amazonaholic, so I get all this stuff on Amazon. All right, and then I have a buffering lotion from Mario Bandescu. I keep this if I get cystic acne. Like I said, those weird, large, hard bumps on your face. This helps take it away. It's amazing. I put it on at night because it's kind of like white, and you don't want it on your face. All right. Now, if I do get a breakout, wake up with a huge pimple on my face, I don't care if it's even during the day, I will use these Alba Botanica acne pimple patches, and it is exactly what it says it is. So, yeah, you can't really see it. Oh, there's one. There's a couple. I don't know what these things are made out of. They're mostly clear. This is the way I think about it. If you're looking at me in the face, you can see I have a big red nasty pimple on my face. Who cares if you see it with a patch on it? The patch helps to pull the oil out, and it's amazing. It works. And then it keeps like a protective film over it, I guess, to keep out dirt and stuff. I could probably read you the back. Okay, let's read the back. When a big irritating pimple has got to go, stick one of these little dots and let it work its magic. And magic it does. Each remarkable patch draws fluids and oils out and away from the skin to help reduce inflammation, while the tight seal keeps skin moist to encourage faster healing and reduce risk of scarring. That's pretty much exactly what I said. And also, because it has the barrier on it, it keeps bacteria out, like I said, and keeps you from picking at it. I'm a picker. Anxiety. Okay. All right, now, Video's almost done. Last part. So once a week while I'm in the shower, I will do this. I will exfoliate and put some masks on in the shower. So I use the Eminence Organic Skincare Strawberry Rhubarb Dermafoliant. Ooh, with lactic acid. I never noticed that before. That burns your face off too. So it's gritty. It's powder. Put it in your hand. Rub it on your face. Rub off a good couple of layers. Rub it on your lips too. Don't forget that. But it gently rubs your face off. Okay. I could read you the back of these, or I don't know, maybe my description's better. Burns your face off. Okay, so after you're done burning your face with the scrubbing off your face. Oh, and the price of that. Now this is expensive, but it lasts forever. I've had it for a year, and it's maybe halfway down. It's around $60. All right, then my next step is another item that burns your face off. The Mario Bandiscoot Orange Tonic Mask. All right. So, I'm going to read you this one, because if I try to explain it... Yeah, okay. It helps minimize the appearance of large pores and absorbs surface oil and debris. The orange extract provides rejuvenating alpha hydroxy acids to smooth away dulling buildup on the skin surface. It burns your face off. It burns your face off. So I've heard that you should include some sort of citrusy item to burn your face off. Okay, so now after you scrubbed the first layer of skin off, and then you burned off the second, you want to moisturize. The orange tonic mask. Let me grab that price. $18. Again, everything he sells is around $20. And everything Eminence sells is around $60. Okay. All right. So Eminence Strawberry Rhubarb Mask. They don't really say anything on their stuff, but I know it's a moisturizing mask. And I'm going to guess it's around $60. Let's look it up. $56. So, okay. I spend a lot on face, but I'm 40. I have to. I mean, I think anybody any age has to take care of their skin. And my dermatologist was pretty impressed with the way that my skin is looking. It's taken me pretty regimen skincare to do it, but I still, like, I have a breakout right here. Why? Don't know. It happens. I had another one over here too. I still get them. Okay. Just realized I don't really know how to wrap up this video. So I am going to, I don't know if anyone's ever going to watch them, but I am going to start making videos, and each video is going to have like a different kind of topic. But they're all going to revolve around like getting older, having PCOS, that kind of stuff. And guaranteed you're going to be seeing a lot of this poochie in there. Hi, baby. It's really hot. It's like 96 degrees out. Oops, sorry. So she's not feeling it. All right. Well, anyone that actually sat through this and watched it, thank you. Oh yeah, they always say like subscribe to my channel, whatever that means. I will figure that out in time. All right. I'll see you next time. Bye.